I am Macy, Macy, moving through the night. Cook up love with spice, turn wrong into right. From a town of joy to the city's glow, wherever I go, my love will show. I am Macy, Macy, spreading love all around. In every taste, in every sound. From kitchens to hearts, I'm in the scenes. I'm a mother with God's dreams. In the morning light, I gather the news. Whisper tales that shake off the blues. With apron tight and a heart so pure. Every dish, a blessing, that's for sure. I am Macy, Macy, spreading love all around. In every taste, in every sound. From kitchens to hearts, I'm in the scenes. I'm a mother with God's dreams.
Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, sharing the notification bell so that when I upload a video, you'll always get a notification. For the returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Thanks so much. I don't take it for granted. Guys, thank you for the support that you've accorded me for 2024, and here we are 2025. Same support from you guys. Thanks so much and God bless you. So today we are praying in the kitchen. Hey, I love the kitchen so much. Most of them I do vlogs and even I do cooking videos. So today we are about to make breakfast. I want to show you how to make breakfast with just a potato. If you have one big potato, or just like me, I'm using 2 small potatoes, you'll see them, and we make our breakfast. How do you make potato breakfast? Let's come and show you. So here I'm having 2 potatoes that will be preparing. Here I'm cooking my tea. What we do, we grate our potatoes. When I grate it, come here. So grate our potatoes.
In the market square, I'll wave hello. Macy's here with stories you should know. Kitchen magic, spices in the air. From town to town, I spread the love and care. With a heartfelt prayer, I start my day.
First you squeeze this water, and we'll have to rinse them. You squeeze the water. We drain the water from there for a few minutes. So we drained, see it was still draining the water. After that we pour our grated potatoes there. Our potatoes. I want to add spices of my choice. Around mixed spices, paprika and black pepper. We start with the black pepper. Then paprika. Mix spices and salt. We mix well. After mixing well, we can add eggs. You also mix right. Now we add wheat flour. This is wheat flour inside here. Yeah. Simple and delicious potato breakfast. You want bit by bit. The wheat flour you want bit by bit. See now our mixture. We have our mixture here, olive oil. So we add some olive oil.
In the market square, I'll wave hello. Macy's here with stories you should know. Kitchen magic, spices in the air. From town to town, I spread the love and care. With a heartfelt prayer, I start my day. God's light guides me every step of the way. A pot of joy simmering on the stove. In every town they say my name with love. I am Macy, Macy, cooking with a smile. Every dish and story travels many miles. From village to city, spreading joy like fire. Macy's food and spirit, lifting hearts higher. Friendly faces gather around my pot. Each recipe a secret twist I've got. I share news from north, south, east and west, filling hearts with food and hope that's blessed. Through dusty roads and bustling streets, I bring a taste of heaven so sweet. News and flavors make a perfect blend. Macy's journey never seems to end. I am Macy, Macy, cooking with a smile. Every dish and story travels many miles. From village to city, spreading joy like fire. Macy's.
So guys, if you've watched up to this moment and you've not subscribed, please consider subscribing, like and share. Ring the notification bell and share. Leave a comment what you think about today's breakfast. See you in the next one. And this. I love you all.